Hey everyone, this is how we take our men's hair systems from this color to this. Now, this is how our men's hair systems come from our own factory, and this is actually a quality control video coming from our factory, just letting me know that our pieces have shipped and ready to go. Look how thin that skin is. So the best way to not get color on the cap or the poly skin lining on the inside is to use a toothbrush. And I love custom coloring our units and our hair extensions because for me, human hair doesn't have just one flat color. We have a lot of different dimensions, and with using hair coloring and taking my time and coloring it myself, you really get a chance to pull out those nuances, and it makes your hair extensions or your systems look a lot more realistic. Now, a little tip is that I coated the inside of this cap or poly skin with some conditioner, like a lot of it. And by going with the toothbrush, you can see with my Q-tip that no hair color is getting actually on the cap. And here's me just blow drying after the color. This looks really great. My client was wearing a system before that was way too dark. This was ordering it from the factory, and we were able to pull out all the nuances of his natural hair color to give him a perfect match. Now, if you're interested in having something like this done for yourself, please book a consultation with us for free on our website at installmyhairextensions.com. We'd love to talk to you and color match you and talk to you about all the possibilities for men using our hair systems. See you then.